Make sentences using the word doll. The number one sentence: this doll is very pretty. This means the doll looks beautiful. I have a new doll, meaning I own a doll that is new. She plays with her doll every day, meaning she uses her doll for fun daily. Doll has the doll has blue eyes, meaning the doll's eyes are blue in color. My doll wears a pink dress, meaning the doll is dressed in pink clothes. Tom gives the doll to his sister, meaning Tom hands the doll to his sister. The doll sits on the bed, meaning the doll is placed on the bed. We love our dolls, meaning we like our dolls very much. Mom buys a doll for me. That is, mother gets a doll for me from a shop. The doll smiles at me, meaning the doll's face looks like it is smiling. So these are the 10 sentences using the word doll. Let me review the sentences again. This doll is very pretty. I have a new doll. She plays with her doll every day. The doll has blue eyes. The doll wears a pink dress. Tom gives the doll to his sister. The doll sits on the bed. We love our dolls. Mom buys a doll for me. The doll smiles at me.